Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to install and play Windows games on your Mac. This is me running a full Windows game smoothly on Mac.
3, 2, 1, roll!
Now we have couple options we can use: Whiskey, Crossover and Parallel. Now Whiskey is totally free but it's no longer maintained, so I wouldn't recommend as any feature bugs won't be fixed. Now let's explore Crossover and Parallel. Crossover is easy to set up, actively maintain, and has great support for popular games through Steam or standalone installers with no need for a full Windows installation. The yearly license costs $23.80, currently on discount, and a lifetime license with full support costs $494. Parallel, on the other hand, is basically running Windows as a virtual machine. You install Windows and then install Steam or Epic Games and play games as you normally would on a Windows PC. There are two editions of Parallel, the Pro Edition for $77.99 and the regular for $64.99. Now both Parallel and Crossover offers 14 days free trial, so you could try out both to see which works better for the games you would love to play. Now there is a web page that covers all the games that has full support for both Crossover, Parallel and Whiskey. So make sure to check it out to see what games you can play based on the one you're using. Crossover uses a commercial version of Wine. On Crossover, each app or game runs inside its own bottle like a container. They don't interfere with each other. You can apply tweaks, DLL overrides, or custom game settings per app. It works with macOS, Ventura, Sonoma, Sequoia, and even older versions. Support for macOS Tahoe is also guaranteed once it is released. It is great for both DirectX 9, 10, and 11 games, and supports many AAA titles. For some reason, Steam isn't showing FPS counter on Brawlhalla when using Crossover. Parallel is a full-featured virtual machine. It creates a complete Windows environment that runs inside macOS. You can install Windows apps and games just like on a physical PC. You could even run SolidWorks, CAD softwares, and more. It also runs many DirectX 11 and older games smoothly, both on Intel and ARM Macs. It's comfortably getting 100 FPS here. I mean, it's not a graphics intensive game, but it runs smoothly. Now, which should you use? If it is solely for gaming, then I would recommend Crossover, as it is quite cheap compared to Parallel and has great support. But if it is both for gaming and other productive works, then I would recommend Parallel. Now this depends on your use case and how much you're willing to spend on this software. If you're unable to pay for any of them, then you can continue using Whiskey, though you would lack support for most games. If this video was helpful, kindly hit the subscribe button and turn on your post notification. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.